Hey, Sister Thrifters. Today we are at Re-Generate Thrift Store in Granville. It's on Chicago Drive. And I am going to check it out and I'm going to bring you along with. Let's go. Okay, here we are. I've been here a couple of times and it is a cute little thrift store. They have lots of variety and let's go see what we can find today. I love their window. It's got everything ready for the 4th that we just had. Looks very patriotic. So clothing is 50% off. First thing I see is this cute dress that looks like it was handmade. It doesn't have a label or anything in it, but it is sweet. Dresses are $9, so half off is $4.50. How can you beat that? They have a big wall of purses and some artwork above. First thing I noticed down here is a cute Dana Buckman all leather purse. Really cute with the chains. I didn't see, this is an older, pretty well worn purse. It's a cute one too. So many cute things. I like black and white artwork. These are kind of cute. They're in French. They're $22.50 a piece. So there were quite a few jewelry cases. Here's an example of one. Prices were pretty good. Here's a quick view of some housewares and decorative items. Interesting piece from Canterbury Cottage. More jewelry. Okay. How cute are these shorts? They're half off too. Not my size though. But they are Pendleton. So cute. Okay, so this is a Telvis 1350. This is a Papa Cavallo shirt. I don't know if you get a Papa collar with it. So this is a Lucky Brand sweater. I think it's probably a men's because it's pretty warm. This is a top jacket. I like this brand. It's a little bit. So they have a lot of homewares. A lot of cute things here. This is a cool lamp. Tested $87. It is really nice. A brass lamp. A pretty finial on it. Very pretty. Lots of linens, kids' things. Just all kinds of collectibles. Here is a china cabinet that has their higher end pieces. Look like a few antiques in here. Nice things. These are kind of cool. Made in Hong Kong. I like them for matching on your table. Pretty too. But definitely some interesting things. Here's another cool floor lamp. And it is $22. Very nice. I mentioned that they have records and other things, but they have this cool section back here with lots of crafts, fabrics, already done quilts and things like that. And on this side, all kinds of frames and things. Knitting needles, if you needed knitting needles, it's a place to come. $2 each for most sizes. In the back here, they also have all kinds of bags, books, paper goods, and then a lot of home goods back here. A little glassware, pottery, things like that, home decor. Um, there's a lot to look at. I am a candle thrifter, so I found these 2 boxes. These are priced $1 a piece. This whole box used to be $12, and now it is $6.50. So it's got quite a few in there. So I'm going to tell you that's a way to do your candles. I don't ever pay full price anymore. Here's some fun redware here. Got a lot of stuff to dig through, but more in the back. So if you need a knife set, there they are. There's some big knives in there too, ornamental ones. So kind of cool that you can find those here. Everything is very well organized. They have a labeled knickknacks and glassware. And here we've got a lot of figurines that I know some of you collect. I recently was watching a thrifting video and someone was super excited. They had thrifted a Tom and Jerry bowl. Here is one with the cups, set of 6 for $36. So I guess they're out there. It's not my thing, but I know I just watched a video of someone being thrilled that they found it. So this little cream and sugar was from Crate and Barrel. It has Crate and Barrel sticker on the bottom. And it's $2.50 here. How fun is that? There's even more glassware, plates, bowls. I can't even tell what this is. Never mind. That one's scary. Glassware, plates, bowls, clear glass. If you need Pyrex, this is your place. $8.50 with a lid. And it's clean as a whistle. There's a lot of it. I love these old Tonka trucks. This one's $14. It's definitely got some wear on it, but how cute is that? My grandkids love them. I just want to give you one view of some of the cool decorative things they have here. Kind of love that wickery thing there. This, I'll have to look at that. I have got my hands full. I picked up something else, so we'll check it out. It definitely has a lot of furniture. There is a cool trunk here that is marked, I think, 24. So it's pretty cool. I don't have a spot for it. There's one I'm eyeing at another store, but it's a little more expensive than that one. So there's cool carved headboard in the back, some tools. Definitely got some other items that would not fit in their store. So kind of fun to walk through though. And look at that beautiful, beautiful light. If you had the glass for it, that's really pretty. Okay, friends, I just finished up at Re-Generate in Granville. They had a ton of clothes that I tried on. I didn't show you all of them. Some of them, their dressing room was kind of small and there just wasn't a lot of room to film there. So I will show you. I only bought 2 items, but they were half off. And then I also purchased a couple of decor items. So I will show you those when I make it home. Okay, friends, you're going to feel like you're watching a foreign movie here because I had a mic problem and my mouth is not going to match with what I'm saying. So I had to do a little voiceover here. I'm just going to kind of recap the haul and what I do in the try-on for you. I ended up with 4 items. The first 2 are clothing, and I'm going to do a try-on for you. The first jacket is one called it's from a company called Habitat, and it's 100% cotton. It had nice big buttons on it that I just absolutely loved. It's black, and it was $10.50 originally, so $5.25 for the 50% off. So I'm backing up the truck so you can look at it. It definitely is something that is right up my alley for work. I'd love to have something like that to layer, because sometimes in the office it's cold or warm. So I take it off or leave it on. I just am gonna share that I love to iron, so that is never a deterrent for me for 100% cotton items. The next thing I am moving on to after I get this off, which took a minute, is a Talbot's blazer. The Talbot's blazer, it was $13.50, and that was, I thought, a fair price at that price. But then when I started to put on the blazer, it was obviously then $6.75, and that is a true bargain. This thing was hardly, if it was worn at all, it was hardly worn. It had, the pockets were still sewn shut. It was really a nice weight, and I just really liked it. It's in my color palette for sure, and in something that I would just totally wear from summer, late summer into the fall. I love it. I would wear it at night if we were going out somewhere. So that's my clothing haul. Then we moved on to some of the 2 items that I found there that were decor. This is a little light. It's got a candle, one of those little fake candles in it. I'm going to put it out on my front porch and on a table out there. I loved it. I thought it was sweet. And even in the living room, I think it would have been a nice item to add, and could go in there in the fall or winter. So I love the natural look of it. The other item I purchased was it's a catch-all to me, but I seem to always have receipts and things like that, paperwork that I need to have a place to just kind of throw in till I have a chance to look at them. And so this was a great buy. I ended up purchasing it for, I think it was said $17. I forgot to tell you, the little light was, I think it was about $10. This one, it had a price tag on it before, a $41.50. I couldn't read the store it was from, but this said it was the smaller of the boxes that they had. I love the burlap on the outside and the studs around the edges. It just was really, I thought, a really nice looking box to use to layer in the living room, and definitely something that could elevate a lamp or something that you could put underneath, or I'm sorry, put it underneath and kind of style with it. So it's going to help me be more organized. So I really felt like Re-Generate had some cool things. They definitely are, they run specials and have different sales that you might be able to take advantage of at different times. I found pottery there that's beautiful in the past, a few antiques. I didn't see so much of that today, but I hope you enjoy the content. It's definitely a place worth looking at, and there's quite a few thrift stores right around that area. There's a Mel Trotter, there's the Goodwill Bins, there's Goodwill, several other places. So check it out. And I hope you enjoyed the content. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up if you liked it. Sorry about the voiceover. I hope that the mics are going to be working a little better on the next video. Feel free to add any comments that you have, and I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful thrift.